How does the Upcycle Lab support sustainable practices through upcycling? Have you ever wondered how old materials can be turned into something new and useful? The Upcycle Lab is a fantastic example of this concept in action. It supports sustainable practices by transforming existing materials and equipment into new, functional items. This not only extends the life of these materials but also helps reduce waste. At the core of the Upcycle Lab's mission is the idea of upcycling. This means creatively repurposing materials to give them a new purpose instead of throwing them away. For instance, the lab takes old or unused laboratory furniture, tools, and materials and restores or modifies them to meet current needs. Imagine a worn-out workbench or cabinet. Instead of discarding it, the Upcycle Lab can refinish or upgrade it with new surfaces and fixtures. This way, the furniture retains its core structure while becoming more functional. By doing this, the lab avoids the environmental costs linked to making new items from raw materials, which often involves high energy consumption and carbon emissions. The Upcycle Lab promotes a circular economy model. This means keeping resources in use for as long as possible. By reducing landfill waste and the demand for new raw materials like metals, wood, and plastics, the lab helps lower the overall environmental footprint of laboratory operations. In practical terms, the Upcycle Lab engages in several activities. They refurbish heavy-duty lab furniture to meet safety and performance standards without needing to replace it. They also repurpose materials to create new lab equipment or furniture tailored to specific research needs. Collaboration is key at the Upcycle Lab. They work with recycling and waste reduction programs to ensure that materials unsuitable for upcycling are properly recycled or disposed of. This approach encourages the use of durable, repairable items over disposable or single-use products, which are common in lab environments and contribute significantly to waste. These efforts not only conserve resources but also help laboratories save money by reducing the need to purchase new equipment. The Upcycle Lab integrates eco-friendly practices into everyday operations, making sustainability a practical goal. From the perspective of recycle crafts, the Upcycle Lab shows how creativity can transform waste into valuable assets. It highlights that sustainability in research environments is about reimagining how existing materials can be adapted and reused effectively. This approach encourages a culture of mindful resource use and innovation in lab settings.